sandwich. But employees of the Popeyes in Scott were not too happy about all that extra work. News 10's Britt LaFaso has this story.
She's pouring a bunch of cayenne sauce pepper into the mayonnaise.
An employee of Popeyes in Scott is accused of pouring cayenne pepper into a sandwich's ingredients. The unidentified employee shot video of the incident. That video was posted on Instagram.
This is not something that should be done to a burger, and everybody is after the burger, and everybody wants the burger.
When Kiana Lewis saw the video, she took a screen recording and posted it on Facebook. The video went viral.
And that's a lot of cayenne pepper that was done and put inside the sauce that's on the burger, and a lot of people can't have that.
People like Gabrielle Mays.
I get ulcers from stress, so if I would have had one of those sandwiches and I'd had an ulcer in my mouth probably would have hurt, you know, and that's kind of messed up.
This is the Popeyes where the chaos began. Now, I reached out to Scott's police chief, and he told me that they will not be investigating the situation as it is not a criminal matter. He says that it's an internal matter that should be handled by Popeyes. Popeyes has since fired the employees involved. The restaurant says it is investigating the situation. A Popeyes Human Resources director said any necessary legal action will be taken against those involved.